Simon & Schuster Audio presents Attending: Medicine, Mindfulness, and Humanity by Dr. Ronald Epstein. Read by Jonathan Todd Ross.
Author's Note. I believe that the practice of medicine depends on a deep understanding between clinicians and patients, and that human understanding starts with understanding oneself. This book is the product of a career in medicine seeking opportunities to know myself better as a clinician and to help others do the same, ultimately to make healthcare more mindful, attentive, and humane. Writing this book, I've explored realms that I had not previously imagined: the cutting edge of social and cognitive neuroscience, the psychological and philosophical underpinnings of contemplative practices, and the writings of Zen masters, baseball heroes, and ecstatic poets. At each juncture, innumerable friends, colleagues, and total strangers whom I contacted out of the blue offered guidance, correctives, consolations, and camaraderie that helped me find my voice as a writer, from the heart, personal, rooted in stories. For privacy and confidentiality, I cannot name all of my teachers. Many of them are my patients, and it would be too much to ask them to make public the most intimate moments of their lives. I have altered details of each patient's story, and in some cases created a composite of two or more similar stories. Thus, any resemblance of those mentioned in this book to actual living patients and their families is coincidental and not intentional. I have taken similar precautions with the health professionals mentioned in the book, as it is difficult to know if I might unwittingly reveal something that they would rather not have made public. For convenience and readability, when referring to health professionals and patients, I have used the singular pronouns he and she rather than use the more awkward he or she and his or hers. This is not to suggest any generalizations based on gender. In medicine, the senior physician responsible for a patient's care is called the attending physician, or just the attending. The attending's responsibility is to direct the clinical team's attention to the most important things, take charge, make the patient feel attended to, and provide attentive care. Attending means showing up, being present, listening.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?